Привет! Hi, I'm Tanya, and this is the first video in the Cases playlist. In this course, we'll learn basic meanings of the cases and frequently used patterns. We'll learn how to use them, and also we'll make up a list of the things and people that we have. So if you're a little bit depressed and you have a weather like I have there in St. Petersburg, so I'm in the dark sky and it's a little bit cold. Yeah, it's pretty cold. I even have this nice blanket. Oh yeah, it's much more better. So please don't forget to check resources below the video. Here I usually have some PDFs that you can download, print, and write. Do not download anything, watch me. Yeah. Okay. The question is, what are the cases for? So there are some languages without the cases. Why do you Russians need some case anytime? Okay, so in Russian, it's a backbone of the sentence, so of the main thought. So maybe know that Russian has a pretty flexible word order, and so we know about the meaning up to the case. Where is it? When? Maybe who did something, to whom or for whom, from whom. That's all. That all go from the cases. For example, if I want to tell someone that I have something, I have a log. У меня есть бревно. I use nominative case and we call it именительный падеж. Also, we use it to say that something exists. В этом доме есть бревно. Мягкое. So, today we are gonna talk about nominative case or the case of existence. Hold this log, Tanya. Don't do anything with your hands, please. Take a look. We are taking a look. У меня есть дом. У меня есть подруга. Тут есть ноутбук. Тут есть человек. В мире существует гора. В мире существует тигр. Thus, the patterns are есть plus nominative case, существует plus именительный падеж, and in English, so you can make this kind of box. Have, exist, is plus именительный падеж. Sometimes I get depressed and start writing list of what I have and who I have to get my motivation to work back. Now we'll do it together and in Russian. Let's get started. Кто и что у меня есть? У меня есть родители. У меня есть брат. У меня есть бабушки и дедушки. У меня есть любимый человек. У меня есть хороший друг. У меня есть образование. У меня есть здоровье. У меня есть книги. У меня есть свобода. У меня есть ноутбук. У меня есть микрофон. У меня есть наушники. And I'm slowly getting happy again. So now it's your turn to write it. But what is the ending? Ending is usually one or two vowels in the end. No vowels in the end, no ending. Here we have a list of cool people and things that we have. Let's decorate it. But what's common of all of these sentences? The first, у меня есть. Second, endings. Let's find all of them in our list and make up a chart. So we have I, I, я, а, and no ending. So these are the endings of именительный падеж. Why do they vary? I'll show you a simple algorithm. For more practice, download the pages below the video. I made them myself. And if you like them, you can support me on Patreon or just buy a cup of coffee on Ko-fi. Also, below the video, you can find a chart with grammar from the lesson. So you can read them, print them, and hang in front of the toilet, and don't take the phone with you that time. Share your lists with «У меня есть» in the comments. And у меня есть видео, материалы и желание вас учить. So, hope it was fun and useful. And remember that the best amount of time for learning language is about 40 minutes. So, watch the next one. I'm still Tanya. Thank you. Спасибо. Увидимся в следующий раз.